Hey guys, Kathleen Penner here. This morning, actually it's not this morning, it's this afternoon, we are on Explora 1 and it is the first time I've been on Explora Journeys. She's a brand new cruise line. It's the luxury division of MSC and they are a separate entity from MSC, although they are still owned by the same family. So we are going to be doing a room tour and our room is an OT2 and that is Ocean Terrace 2. So they have OT1 up to OT4. They are all the same size. They are all the same configuration. The difference is the position on the ship. So the higher the number, higher deck, more midship, a bit more of a desirable location. So this one here is OT2 Suite 7048. So we're just going to turn around and I'm going to just show you amazing things about this room. So as you can see right here on the back of the door, it talks about all of your muster station, the important information that you'll need to know in terms of that. Right over here, we're going to have the individual climate control. So that's a really nice thing. And right now it's in Celsius. If you are an American and you would like to do it in Fahrenheit, that can be changed easily as well. And it's customizable to whatever you'd like for your temperature. So this here, this is what you put in to keep the lights on in the room. When it's out, it's going to turn the lights off rather quickly. Now normally on cruise ships, I like to stick my IATA card or my CLIA card, Cruise Lines International Association, into this spot, and then I don't need to worry about it and I can just leave it in. Now this did not work. It needs the actual RFID in the Explora card to make that work. The good thing is you always know where your card is. The bad thing is that if you need to run back in and get something, your lights are going to turn off. So then we're moving on to this, and we have the doorbell, which is here, D&D, which is do not disturb, and then make up rooms. So you can go and leave messages for your room steward in terms of this with, you know, it's time for night, we're closing up, and I need my room made up. These, of course, are your light switches, so you can turn them on and off, and they respond rather quickly, and the lights come on dimmer and up. So as you're walking along, this is what you're going to see next. So we have a beautiful walk-in closet. This takes up a fair amount of real estate, as you can see, and it has your robes, and your robes are from, I may not pronounce it right, but it's from Frette, and that is a really nice company. Very, very luxe, really nice, and it's super soft. It's really good. If you can follow along, you will see that they also provide slippers in 2 different sizes, and if neither of them fit you, ask for more and they'll get you a larger, an extra small. So right over here we have this glass cover, and you can pull it open, and this is a nice spot to put, you know, some of your jewelry or sunglasses, just, you know, all your little things that tend to get lost in your suite, but you can put them in here. It comes with a shoe mitt and a sewing kit, and that's really nice, and you can just kind of close that up and see what there is there at a glance. And then you've got these drawers. This one has your laundry bag, and talking about your laundry service, there is complimentary laundry, self-serve laundry on board, but if you would like them to do your laundry, you can use those bags. So there's tons of drawers here. And then right over here, this is what's amazing. This is what I love. So we've got this full-length mirror right here, and you can turn it on and off with those lights, and you can sit there and do your makeup and enjoy. This one here is a very much magnifier. Just warning you, as you go to look at it, you will see every pore on your face. So that's a nice one if you want to do, you know, just some fine detail around your eyes for makeup mirror. Other than that, then this one is perfect for you. And a very nice, comfortable seating. So now I'm just going to move right into the bathroom so that you can see this. The bathroom restroom has a gorgeous shelf all the way across. It has, right over here, you've got these so pretty stoneware boxes, and inside of it you have a little vanity kit with cotton buds, and then another one with cotton pads that you can put into there. And if you do use them, your suite attendant will come and help you and replenish them for you. You have beautiful Mandela blue soaps. These are specially formulated just for Explora Journeys. And that's a beautiful scent. So that's right in there. And of course your sink. Moving right along, you have Mandela Blue as well. You have body lotion and your hand and body soap. And then 2 shower caps right here, again on this beautiful stoneware. Of course, you've got your face cloths, and it's beautiful how they made it a nice little flower, just that nice little touch. So moving right along into the shower with this beautiful bench right across here. That is just something I think I'm going to use a lot for when you're sitting and shaving your legs so you don't kind of fall over, so that's nice. And then you've got your towels up in here. And then I can actually walk in. This is so massive. You've got your rain shower head, and you've got just this one here that can come right off, and you can wash your feet. You have your temperature, and you also then have the flow, so you can make it really heavy or light in terms of water pressure. That's the word, I'm sorry. You've got your hand and body soap, your shampoo, and your conditioner for use on board. And it's really nice that you have these because these are top quality spa, and that is something that is just really nice for your hair. So I was kind of surprised that there isn't a door here. I expected one, but I guess, you know, with everything up that way with your shower, it's not going to be a problem, but I just surprised that it didn't have a sliding door. Now, the one thing that is so amazing on this is heated floors. This is so phenomenal. So you can just set the level that you'd like and then turn it on, and within seconds, your floor is getting heated. This is amazing. This is something that I would love to have had when I was in Alaska and Iceland. It would be great in Norway. All of those colder weather climates, Greenland, it would be just phenomenal. So this is a really nice thing to have, or just in the mornings when your feet are cold. And then you've got this wonderful heated floor that you're not gonna have, you know, kind of walking on tiptoes. So it's just incredible. So we're gonna exit the washroom and we're gonna come into here. And they're very big with a lot of their knickknacks. You know, some of the higher suites are called residents, and they want to make you feel like you're at home. So the shelves have some cute little knickknacks, just some small things. And as you can see, it's just, this is the entry-level room. Just a lot of space that's made up here. It's quite nice. Down here, you've got automatic lighting. So when you get up in the middle of the night, that's going to turn on for you. This is one thing I absolutely adore. I can charge my iPhone on here by just laying it there. And that really helps not having a lot of plugs. So that's cool. You've got a USB-C, a USB-A, and a USB-C. And then you've got, that one isn't anything. And then you've got your lights here that you can turn on and off. This is kind of handy. Caring for environment. You don't need to change my bed sheets. They don't need to be changed every day. So you can put that pillow on there and that will let your room steward know. And that's kind of a cute way to do it. I actually like that. That's neat. So all along here, we've got, here you are. They are going to offer you complimentary binoculars for use on board. And these are really nice binoculars. They work very well. And they would be really good if you were going to Alaska, going to Iceland, Norwegian, going up the fjords. Beautiful. These would really come in handy for that. They have a book here, Call of the Blue. Like I said, they're trying to emulate your home. So they've got some really nice reading here. And in your room, you have complimentary beverages. So sometimes on Seabourn, you'd fill out a form before you come. Silversea, they would send you an email with what are your preferences. Explora would like to know once you're on board, what are your preferences? And you can sort of read along right here. So for in-suite bar requests, we would let you let your suite host know your preferences. Or you can just go and get your beverages at any of the bars, and here's an idea of what's included. So moving right along, you've got the Ocean Wellness book, which talks about all the different spa treatments you can get. One thing I love about Explora Journeys is the thermal suites are fully included in your cruise fare, and I think I'm going to be taking advantage of that a fair bit these next 9 days. So I'm going to be headed into the spa and just enjoying all of their treatment, all of their you know, their saunas and the gorgeous areas that's there, and I can't wait to show you those videos because I really want to check that out. So moving along, we booked some destination experiences, so our tickets are in here. So that's in there. And then you've got your telephone that you can call down for room service or whatever. And as I mentioned, room service. So here's the whole menu for in-suite dining. Of course, your remote. So this is just some extra information for me. And then I thought this was interesting. So it talks about, you know, when you're in different areas, this is some of the phone numbers that you may need. That's important to know, and that's kind of handy. These beautiful, nice glasses, nice glass containers. They're quite full of really delicious water. Are for use on board, and they're complimentary. You know, Explora is really good for protecting our environment, and there's no single-use plastics anywhere on board, and you're going to find that, and everything is going to be glass. We have a chilled, wonderful welcome bottle of champagne waiting here for us, and of course a way to open it, 2 glasses. These are for us to take ashore, and they are very, very nice as well, and we'll take those home with us too. Some nice little treats just waiting for us. A beautiful seating area. And this picture is in every stateroom, every suite that they have. And it actually tells a story if you read it along. And I thought that was kind of neat. So you could read the spines of every book. And as you go along, they work together beautifully. And they just tell a little story. I thought that was kind of neat. So you can pause the video and read that if you're interested. Again, you've got a whole bunch of beautiful little knickknacks, some books to read if you choose. They've just got it all set up just so you feel like home. One of the other things I'd like to show you is in this cupboard. As soon as you open it, the light is going to turn on, which I really think is very cool. You've got some glasses up top and a little container up there for some ice. This one pulls out so that you can get at everything here. So you've got your tiny little cups for your espresso, your cappuccino. You've got some sugars, some special tools, bigger cups for the regular coffee, and some things here. You've got 3 different kinds of coffee: bold roast, decaffeinated, and classic roast. And then a whole bunch of really nice teas. So you've got the sweet night one, English breakfast, I believe I see an Earl Grey, and a mint herbal. And your room steward will just restock these to your preferences every single day. Here we have the wonderful coffee machine. It's a single use with these, so you can make yourself a beautiful, beautiful coffee. And I've got a nice kettle here. When you turn it on, and then you just lift it and make yourself a nice tea with that. You've got your coasters, so you're not doing damage to some of the furniture. And then down here we have, I'm just going to close this one or else I'm going to hit myself in the head. So down here we have the little fridge that's here. And this came stocked this way. They'll be changing it after we meet our suite attendant. So we've got some apple. Oh dear, I'm spilling everything. We've got some apple juice, and we've got some orange juice. We've got some Heineken, little bottles of Coke, tonic water, and whatever this is. This says sand bitter. I'm not sure what that is. If somebody knows, let me know. That would be great. So this is right here. I was tilted up, sorry. There you are. Wonderful. So we're just going to follow along. And then over here as well, you have got, and they're both the same, but you've got, actually they're not. I'll show you the other side, sorry. Some very good space for unpacking. On this side, you're going to find your safe that's here. And this is kind of neat because, you know, so often your safe is long and thin and in your closet and you can't fit a whole lot in it. This fits a laptop, and if you wanted to put your jewelry, you've got that there too. So we can just close that back up, set your safe key and your preferences, and whatever you'd like. Your safe code, pardon me, not your key. So you've got that. And then, of course, you've got your wonderful king-size bed. Some of the rooms come with 2 beds. This one comes with 1. A lot of times the room steward separates them. That does not happen here. They're already all made up. And we're just going to follow along and finish with our beautiful terrace, which I mean OT2 2 stands for Ocean Terrace. So we have to show you the terrace. And here we go. So I love this because this has got such a nice little day bed right here that you can just lay out, enjoy that beautiful sunshine, and just love it. And then you've got this nice table that's here with 2 chairs, so you can enjoy breakfast out here with your complimentary room service as you're pulling into the ports each morning. We're in Barbados currently, so it's going to be different. You're not going to see those gorgeous ocean views because we have not left yet, but nevertheless, we've got some beautiful tables and chairs that I just really wanted to highlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Make sure that you share this video, give it a thumbs up, whatever you'd like to do, but more importantly, reach out to me. info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com. I would love to be able to help you get aboard Explora Journeys. I'm going to be experiencing it myself for the next 9 days, and I know I'm going to be able to help you with your voyage as well. You can always reach me at info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com. Thank you so much for watching this room tour, guys, and we will see you all. Each day I'm going to be putting out a different video, and it's going to be fantastic. Just going to close this because it's a little bit loud. So we're just going to be following along, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, but I hope to see you in person on board some of our group cruises, and I'd love to meet you via email. So reach out to me anytime you'd like, and I would love to help you with your journey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later.